In this video, we're going to explore Olivia and her days at the office. And in the end, I'll teach you the words in yellow. Olivia's office routine. Olivia works as a secretary at a big company. Every day, she wakes up at 6:30 a.m., takes a shower, and eats a quick breakfast. By 7:30 a.m., she is out the door, heading to the office. She arrives at her desk at 8 a.m. The first thing Olivia does is check her emails. There are usually a few important messages from her boss. She reads them carefully, making notes of what needs to be done. Then, she makes a list of tasks for the day. At 9 a.m., Olivia answers phone calls. Some calls are from clients, and others are from her colleagues. She takes notes and directs the calls to the right department. By 10:30 a.m., Olivia often has to organize a meeting. She schedules it, sends invitations, and prepares documents for everyone. Around 12 p.m., Olivia takes a lunch break. She usually eats a sandwich at her desk while watching some videos or reading a book. In the afternoon, Olivia updates files and prepares reports for her boss. She also helps with planning events for the office. At 3 p.m., there is usually a team meeting where Olivia takes notes and shares her updates. Olivia finishes work at 5 p.m. She shuts down her computer and organizes her desk before leaving. Once she's home, she likes to relax by watching TV or reading a book. Heading to. This means going in the direction of a specific place. Olivia is heading to the office every morning at 7:30. Colleague. A person you work with in a professional setting. Olivia discussed the new project with her colleague during the meeting. Schedule. To plan or arrange something at a specific time. She scheduled a meeting with the team for 3 p.m. Take a note to write down important information to remember later. Olivia took a note of her boss's instructions during the call. Shut down. To turn off or close something, usually a computer or machine. Before leaving the office, Olivia shuts down her computer. Thanks for watching. If you want to continue learning, check this video out.